Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jeremy here. Another video for you. You probably saw my last video. Well, maybe you didn't. But if you did, you saw that I was showing how Consumer Reports is saying that the 2019 Mazda 3 is a problematic, troublesome vehicle. And people have pointed to that and said, well, Jeremy, the Mazda 3, is a brand new year and all this. And, Mazda's great. And look how great Mazda is. And you know what? I'm not going to deny that. Mazda took Consumer Reports' top honors for the most reliable car manufacturer. They've done a great job with a lot of things, but I think there's one important thing that at least I, as a Mazda 3 owner, want to point out. The 3 is the worst car in the lineup. When you look at something like the Miata, which they've been refining for years, and it's a great car, you've even got the CX-30, which in theory should be a Mazda 3 and be just as good. Clearly, it's not. Almost every other car, with the exception of the CX-9, gets gets great marks, but the 3 down there in the 64 range. It's not a great car. Sorry. Try harder, Mazda.